Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to create your own Solana meme coin, get people to buy into it, and then drain the SOL from the liquidity pool directly into your wallet. And honestly, this whole process only takes about 10 to 20 minutes from start to finish. Before we start, I'm also running a giveaway. I'm sending one SOL to 25 people. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, drop your Solana wallet in the comments, and share this with 5 friends. Super simple. Full details are in the pinned comment. Alright, let's get into it. First, I'm heading over to Photon. I want to show you something real quick. I'm filtering for pump fund tokens, and just look at this. New tokens are popping up every few seconds. It's crazy. You launch here, and within 30 seconds, your token is already buried under a bunch of others. Total chaos. Now I'll switch over to Radium tokens. See the difference? Way fewer tokens coming out, much slower pace, and that's exactly what we want. Less competition, more visibility, and more eyes on our token. This is the ideal setup. Before we create anything, we need a good meme coin idea. Something catchy, fun, maybe even a little ridiculous. I usually go to Deck Screener for inspiration. I check the trending tab first to see which tokens have the most volume and market cap. You can also look at top tokens, but doing this manually every time gets old fast. Scrolling through endless coins, thinking of names, making logos. It just takes too long. So to skip all that, I go straight to RUGPULL.ai. This is where I actually create my tokens. The best part is they have an AI feature that handles all the creative work for you. Once I'm on the site, I click Create Token, then hit Ask AI to generate a meme coin idea. This one looks good. Catchy name, clean logo. I'll go with this. Next, I enable liquidity. Make sure this is turned on because it makes your token tradable and creates the initial liquidity pool to attract buyers. I'm adding 3 SOL for the liquidity pool, so I enter that here. The more you add, the more trust people have, and it helps your token perform better early on. Now I enable the market maker bot, and this part is important. I add 3 SOL as the bot budget. Don't worry, this money is safe, and you can withdraw it later, just like your liquidity. Also, make sure you copy my exact settings for the best results. What the bot does is place random buy and sell orders from different wallets, which makes the token look active and growing. When people see that, they're much more likely to start buying in. Now I click Next, then Create Token. It asks me to confirm the transaction sent. I copy the transaction ID and paste it back into the site. Wait a few seconds, and done. Token is live. Let's check the portfolio page. There it is, and look at that. We're already getting buyers. People are jumping in just based on the chart and the main. This is the fun part. I just let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes and watch the liquidity pool grow. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes and the pool is already around 30 SOL. Not bad for something we just launched. Time to withdraw. I click Withdraw Liquidity, dates my wallet address, and hit Withdraw. Done. Liquidity is gone from the pool. Let's check my wallet. And there it is, 30 SOL sitting right there. That's about 6.7k in under 20 minutes. And that's it. From start to finish, we launched a token, let it run, and walked away with nearly $7,000. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enter the giveaway.